In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Quantower News Panel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to connect a news source and where to view the latest headlines right inside your platform so you can stay on top of market-moving events while you trade. First, head to the Connections area in your platform. This is where all data sources and services are managed. At the top of that window, you'll see a search bar. Click into the search bar and type either News or RSS. You don't need to worry about capitalization here. If nothing shows up with one term, try the other, since different providers may label their feeds differently. If a news feed or RSS connection appears in the results, select it to highlight it. Then click Connect. When you do this, the platform will initiate a live link to that feed. Give it a moment to establish the connection. Some feeds take a few seconds to authenticate and begin streaming. You might notice a status indicator changing as it connects. That's normal, and simply means the platform is syncing with the source. Once you've connected, it's time to open the news panel itself. Click on the Quantower logo to open the main menu. From there, scroll down to the section labeled Information. In that section, click on News. This is the dedicated area where the platform displays incoming items from your connected news or RSS source. As soon as you open the news panel, you should see recent news appear. Expect a clean list of headlines, typically with timestamps and the source, so you can quickly assess what's new and what might affect your markets. This feed is designed to be quick to scan, making it easy to catch key stories without leaving your workspace. If the panel looks empty right after you open it, don't worry. That usually means the feed is still initializing, or there aren't any new items at that exact moment. Give it a moment and make sure your news feed or RSS connection shows as connected in the Connections area you set up a moment ago. To recap the flow you'll use every time, find the news or RSS option in Connections via the search bar, connect to it, then open the news panel by clicking the Quantower logo, scrolling to Information, and selecting News. With those steps, your recent headlines will be right at your fingertips, helping you stay informed and react faster. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using the Quantower News Panel to keep your trading informed and timely.